Unlock your creative potential and land your dream clients by building a stunning WordPress portfolio that truly shines. First things first, let's get WordPress ready. If you don't have WordPress installed yet, you can easily do that through your web host once logged into your dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, then click on Themes. We'll be looking for a theme that's perfect for showcasing creative work. Browse through the available themes, paying attention to those with a strong visual emphasis. Many free themes are excellent for portfolios. Or you might consider a premium theme for more advanced features. Once you find one you love, click Install, and then Activate. Now, let's extend our website's functionality. Go to Plugins, and then Add New. We'll need a plugin specifically designed for creating portfolios. Type Portfolio in the search bar and explore the options. Look for something with good reviews and regular updates. Install and activate your chosen portfolio plugin. With our plugin installed, it's time to start adding your projects. The portfolio plugin will typically add a new menu item to your dashboard. Click on that, and you'll see options to add new portfolio items. This is where you'll upload your best work. For each project, give it a clear and descriptive title in the description area. Write compelling copy that highlights your role, the challenges you faced, and the results you achieved. This is your chance to tell the story behind your work. Crucially, upload high-quality images or embed relevant videos of your projects. Make sure they look fantastic. You can usually categorize your projects here too, which helps visitors navigate and find what they're looking for. Once you've added a few projects, we need to display them on your website. Go to Pages, then Add New. Give this page a title like Portfolio or My Work Now. You'll need to add the shortcode or block provided by your portfolio plugin to display your projects on this page. Save and publish your page. And there you have it. Your professional WordPress portfolio is taking shape. Remember to consistently update it with your latest and greatest work to keep your online presence dynamic and engaging for any potential employer or client.